Hello there! Today we'll look into the features of the Dark Light Mode Switcher block, which is included in the Kaledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. The Dark and Light Mode Switcher block allows visitors to toggle between the dark and light modes of a WordPress theme. Technically, this block can be used in posts and pages, however, that wouldn't make much sense. The best place to add it is in the header template part. To access this template part, go to Appearance, Editor, Patterns, and then select the header template part. In this example, I'm using the 2025 WordPress theme, so I'll use the default header. This header uses a very simple row layout, so I'll add the switcher block to the right end of the header. I'll also add some spacing between this block and the navigation block. Note that the Dark Light Mode Switcher block only works on the front end. It does not function in the Gutenberg editor. Many blocks included in the Kaledros Basic Blocks plugin have built-in settings to define different colors for light and dark modes. To preview both themes in the Gutenberg editor, you'll need to open the Dark Light Mode sidebar and enable dark mode by clicking the corresponding control. This sidebar is also available while editing template parts, such as the header template part. Thank you for watching.